How to translate PDF file to different language. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then go to the Google Drive. In the top left corner, click the plus icon to the upload. To upload your PDF file. Once uploaded, open the PDF file using Google Docs. When it's open, go to the Tool menu at the top left. Click Translate Document. Choose the language you want to translate your PDF into. Then click Translate. And that's it. Your PDF is now translated into a different language. Subscribe channel for more video like this.